Hello everyone, how are you? To all of you, as you know, whenever I get time, always try to practice on social media. Today, once again, to practice on social media. I first tell you my introduction. My name is Lal Bisor. I am 30 years old. I am from Bihar. I am tailor. There are 7 members in my family. Currently, I live in Delhi for work because there is no work. There is no company in Bihar. That's why we have to come to live Bihar. That's why everyone go out of Bihar to work. So I also come. I also come to Delhi. I also come Delhi to work. So I do as well as practice in English because I want to practice my English. I want to improve my English. That's why I will try to practice in English. I hope everyone try to practice in English because everyone I want everyone want learn English because English is very important things. If you learn English, if you know basic English, that's great for all because I know without learning English, no one respect you. We will go big bank, big shop. Everyone will speak in English for all. If you go by mistake, if you by mistake, you will have to go to big shop, big library, big bank, big government of any talk. Everyone will talk to in English. You don't know how to talk in English. You will not answer him, and they will not listen to you because you don't know how to English. If you ask them in English, everyone listen to you carefully. Everyone do your work immediately because English is very powerful language. you know that's why I always try to tell you, you must have some English knowledge. Then you will go anywhere. You don't face problem. You go anywhere. Okay, that's why I will try to tell you. If you want to make do others immediately, you will have to learn English. Then you will be make others do work immediately. That's why you must know some basic English because you can see it across the world. Movie, serial, funny video, a lot of video on social media. Multiple words used in serial, funny video, movie. Okay, 50% talk in English. All the movie, all the serial. Why? Because you have mind. You can understand. You can understand by watching movie, serial. Multiple word used in English. Why? Because you know you have understood that English 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 will be spoken next time. That's why every word you any word English any because English will be spoken next time. That's why you have time. You improve your English, at least basic English, but improve your English. You know, you don't overthink that I will learn only advanced English. No, first of all, you must know basic English. Automatically, you learn advanced English. You don't know how. When I learn advanced English, once you start basic English, then you will improve your basic English. Automatically, you improve your advanced English. Stop thinking about advanced English. Start thinking basic English. Okay, if you improve your basic English, automatically improve your advanced English. That's why most important basic English. Until you know basic English, you never learn advanced English. That's why if you want to fluent English speaker, you will have to improve your basic English. Then you will be improve your advanced English. Okay, so most First of all, you must know about basic English. Then you will be able to learn advanced English. Okay. If you think no, I don't know basic in English. If you want to fluent English speaker, you must know basic English. Then you will be able to improve your English. Then you will speak fluently, advanced and basic English. If you think I don't know, I don't learn basic English. Only I learn advanced English. That is impossible. Without learning basic English, you can't fluent English speaker. Okay. If you know basic English, automatically improve your advanced English. That's why I tell you again and again. You stop overthinking. Start basic English practicing daily again and again. Then automatically improve your basic English. Automatically improve your advanced English. That's why you speak more and more. Okay. Then you will improve more. Okay. That's why you will have to start speaking English from today. You don't think that until I learn all the structure about English, then I will start speaking English. No, it is that is impossible. As you know, start speaking from today, because as you know, start speaking from today. Start practicing from today. Then you will improve your English few days, few months. You don't care until I all know structure about English. Then I will speak in English. The more you learn, the more you speak. The more you speak, the more you learn. The more you think, the more you improve your English. Okay. Until you know basic English, you never you will never improve your advanced learn English. Okay. This is fact for all. If you think no, I don't learn basic English, only I learn advanced English, you will never improve your English. You will never talk to in English long time. Okay. Basic English is very important. Without basic English, you can't speak in English. Okay. So today you make decision that first I improve my basic English, then I will. If you improve your basic English, automatically improve your advanced English. It is no use. It is no use things about advanced English. Why? When you start basic English, you automatically improve your advanced English. What do you think about advanced English? You don't overthink. You stop overthinking. You start uh, practicing with basic English. Automatically improve your advanced English. Okay, thank you very much. I hope I am explaining you. You must have understood all my thought, all my opinion, all my